here I'm going to give you a simple explanation of how we begin going about this strategic analysis of process performance. So if we take a strategy map, we're going to take a specific objective. So in this case, let's take the objective of achieve consistent and profitable growth as an example. So what we're going to do is then begin lining up our core processes next to this. So in this case, we'll use a process of product profitability analysis and a second process, say customer relationship management, CRM. Now, the first step is we now need to understand what is the impact of those processes. So the first question is, what is the impact of product profitability analysis on the strategic objective of achieve consistent and profitable growth? For this analysis, we're only looking at processes which have a high impact on that strategic objective. And in this case, product profitability analysis probably has a high impact. But customer relationship management probably has a low impact. Now, because the product profitability analysis has such a high impact, even a small error rate in how we do that process will have a significant impact on the decisions we make to support achieving consistent and profitable growth. On the other hand, because customer relationship management has a low direct impact, the same small error rate would have no impact on our achieve consistent and profitable growth objective. So because of that, when we come to rate performance, we're only going to focus in on product profitability analysis because of its high overall impact. So in this example, we're going to rate it from, give it a grade just like in school of either A, C, or F, where A, like in school, completely meets or even exceeds customer expectations. You can't get higher than an A or an A+. That's as good as it gets. It doesn't matter how much you exceed it. C is a passing grade, but not excellent. And then F is failing. The process is failing to such a point it's having a significant impact on the performance of that strategic objective. So in this example, let's give it a score of C. Yeah, it's a passing grade. Now we can do the same thing with a different strategic objective. This one, a 5%er, is called Focus on Stakeholder Experiences. In this case, profitability analysis has a low impact on focusing on stakeholder experiences, but customer relationship management has a high impact. So because of this, we're now going to just score the customer relationship management, and in this case, we'll also give it a C. So now both processes are performing at the same level, but because achieve profitable growth is 8%, which has sort of a medium weighting, it turns out that that C is sort of a yellow. It's not up to expectations. We probably need to do something about it. But because of the lower weighting on focus on stakeholder experiences, 5%, a lower weighting, makes that indicator turn green. In other words, the idea that the same performance in a medium-weighted process results in sort of a yellow score, cautionary, and in a low-weighted performance is a green. Obviously, if we had a high-weighted objective, let's say 15 or 20%, that C, in fact, might make that indicator turn red. So in total, if we listed all our objectives down the left and all of our processes across the top, we can begin creating a matrix like this, which will help us identify which processes are meeting our strategic requirements and which ones are not.